full script with markers. Must be 1,200 plus words. Midnight, 3 months ago, Sarah had no idea that AI would change her life forever. 0:05, she was drowning in bills, struggling to make ends meet. But then she discovered something that would turn her financial situation around. 0:15, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save $500 a month using ChatGPT. Let's dive in. 0:30, Sarah, a 35-year-old marketing manager living in San Francisco, was facing a common problem: skyrocketing bills. Her rent alone was $3,500 a month, and utilities, groceries, and other expenses were piling up. 1 o'clock, she tried various personal finance apps and trackers, but none seemed to make a significant difference. That's when she stumbled upon ChatGPT. 1:30, ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model, has been making waves in the tech world. But could it really help with personal finance? Sarah decided to put it to the test. 2 o'clock, the discovery of ChatGPT was a turning point for Sarah. She started by asking ChatGPT for personalized budgeting advice. To her surprise, ChatGPT provided detailed insights into her spending habits and suggested ways to cut costs. 2:30, for example, ChatGPT identified that Sarah was overspending on dining out and suggested meal planning instead. It also recommended switching to cheaper utility providers and negotiating better rates with her internet service. 3 o'clock, but here's where it gets interesting. Sarah didn't stop there. She realized that ChatGPT could do much more than just provide advice. It could automate bill payments, track expenses, and even negotiate with service providers on her behalf. 3:30. However, things didn't go as smoothly as she hoped. There were unexpected challenges along the way. For instance, ChatGPT sometimes misunderstood her requests, leading to incorrect calculations. Sarah had to spend extra time double-checking its suggestions. 4 o'clock, but the real surprise is coming. Despite the initial hiccups, Sarah persevered. She fine-tuned her interactions with ChatGPT, learning how to phrase her requests more clearly. Over time, she became more efficient at using the AI tool. 4:30, as she delved deeper, Sarah uncovered hidden gems within ChatGPT. She discovered that it could analyze her spending patterns and predict future expenses, allowing her to plan ahead and avoid financial pitfalls. 5 o'clock. The climax came when Sarah finally saw the results. After 3 months of using ChatGPT, she had managed to save an astounding $500 per month on her bills. 5:30. But what happened next changed everything. Sarah's success with ChatGPT inspired her colleagues to try it too. They formed a support group, sharing tips and tricks on how to maximize their savings. Together, they created a community of AI-powered bill savers. 6 o'clock. The big reveal is that ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It empowers individuals like Sarah to take control of their finances and achieve their goals. With the right approach, anyone can harness the power of AI to save money. 6:30. So was it worth it? Absolutely. Sarah's journey with ChatGPT taught her valuable lessons about personal finance and the potential of AI. She now feels more confident and in control of her financial future. 7 o'clock. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sisters' revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. 7:30. Was Sarah right to trust ChatGPT with her finances? Yes or a no? Comment your verdict. And remember, most people think AI is just for tech geeks, but actually, it can be a powerful ally in your financial journey. 8 o'clock, subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new personal finance content every single day. The next story is even crazier.